get one of these hooks.
Alright, so right now I'm fishing at this place in Bakersfield. I got my drone and stuff. I was getting some aerial shots right now. It's really nice out here. There's like an island right there. Kind of want to go visit it, but I'm not going to go swimming. So yeah, pretty much just having some fun. So I just got back to this RV my mom's been staying in for a little bit. Well, it looks like my video is done loading. This is the video I uploaded a while ago. If you're wondering why I wasn't, that was from like during the 3 months. I didn't know that I wasn't gonna upload for 3 whole months, but yeah, we were just traveling, and I mean, most of the time we're in the car. It's kind of weird filming stuff in the car because there's not really anything to film besides the road. But yeah, I did that, so I'm gonna try to do a little bit more to make up for that. So yeah, thanks. Like the video. If you like this video, tell your friends, my guys. And yeah, I'm gonna keep on working on this. But went fishing, didn't catch any fish, but I got some good drone shots. I liked the way, man, that sunset was beautiful. It got pink. I thought it was nice. I'm gonna eat some pizza. Goodbye.